Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really random video, and since it's 31st of August, the last day of the month, so I just thought of sharing my monthly favorites with you. So this is the first time I'm making such a video, and आज इस वीडियो में मैं जो भी आपको बताने वाली हूँ, मेरे जो भी monthly favorites रहे हैं, trust me, those are the products which I amazingly love. So some of the products are the one which I am using for the first time, or I have been using like continuously for the month, and I have been loving them, and all of them are just super duper good. So let's not waste any more time and start the video. Okay, so my first favorite product is this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and it looks something like this, and trust me guys, this is just lovely. For people who have extremely dry skin, they can definitely lean by this, and this is one product which will not disappoint you, since I have a dry skin, like really dry deserted skin, but this makes my skin really soft and supple, and yes, I'm pretty happy with it. Also अगर आपकी oily skin भी है तो इसमें और बहुत सारे variants आते हैं. So this one is for dry and sensitive skin, and it also comes for oily skin, so you can definitely use it. It has a very good formulation. The second product is Teague Bio Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum. So I have been using this particular serum since a month, you can say, and this is the first time that I tried it. So I'm a big fan of face serums, and Teague is one brand which I trust on. So yeah, this is really nice. It comes in a bottle like this. इसकी जो quantity है, yeah, it's sufficient. You just need a little bit, and ये आपके face पे अच्छे से spread हो जाता है. So my second favorite is this. Now coming to the third one. So the third product is the Pantene Pro V Oil Replacement Cream. So basically Pantene ने launch किया था for the people जिनको ज़्यादा oiling पसंद नहीं है, so they can apply it on their hair, and it will give the nourishment of oil. But since I keep on oiling my hair because I just need to keep them really healthy and good, but I still use this product because this is amazing, and apart from giving the nourishment of oil, you can use it as a hair cream, hair serum. So very soon I want to make a detailed video on this product, the review and how we can use it, because I really want you guys to know that this is one such product that you can use it in different ways, and it is going to work very good for you. The next product that I've been using very regularly is this Wow Skin Science hair conditioner. Looks like this. First of all, I love the packaging. I love everything which comes in a pump packaging because I don't know, it's really convenient to use. Also, I liked how the color combination of the bottle, it's really beautiful. And now coming to the texture and the formulation, it is very creamy and very rich, and it smells amazing. इसकी जो fragrance है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है, and I totally love it. Now the next thing that I really liked was this Schwarzkopf Gliss hair repair with liquid keratin shampoo. So this is the shampoo that I've been using for the first time. Also the conditioner which I showed you, I'm using this for the first time and I'm pretty satisfied with it. So this shampoo, it has a really nice fragrance, and the texture is really nice. Once you apply it and when you wash it off, you automatically feel that your hair has become softer. So this is the product which I really like. I bought it from Nykaa, and I have shown it in my Nykaa haul if you guys have checked it or not. So yes, I like this one. Then the another product is this Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder. So it looks something like this, and ever since I bought this, I'm just crushing over it. It is so good. So subtle sheen it gives to your skin. It is so beautiful. I mean, I've been using it like every day, even with the BB creams. I'm so madly in love with it. I would definitely recommend this. If you guys are searching for a nice highlighter, you can give this one a chance and you'll be satisfied with it. And the next product is this Blue Heaven Primer. So I have purchased it for the very first time, and I have used it for the very first time, and trust me, I'm completely satisfied with it. So yeah, it comes in a tube packaging and it looks like this. So I'm definitely going to recommend this to you. If you guys are searching for a good primer, अगर कोई अच्छा primer आप ढूंढ रहे हैं, then you can give this one a try. So it makes your skin completely poreless and matte, so that your foundation sticks to your face and it lasts long. And now the last product is, well, these are some of the makeup brushes I have been using. So these are my new set of brushes. इसके पहले भी मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे makeup brushes हैं, एंड मैं उन्हें यूज़ करती थी ऑफ कोर्स, बट जब से मैंने ये बाय किया है, परचेज़ किया है, एवर सिंस आई बॉट देम आई हैव बीन यूजिंग देम लाइक कंटिन्यूसली. यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ देम, they have some or the other pigments in it because I use them almost every day. Yeah, for my compact, for my blusher, highlighter, everything. So yes, so this is the last thing which has been my favorite this month. And overall, all the products that I've shown you, I have been loving them. And इनमें से अगर कुछ भी आपको चाहिए, जैसे आपको फील होता है कि नहीं, you were searching for something like this and you got it through my video, then I would definitely leave a link in the description box. You can check them out, they are amazing. And yes, that's it. So this is all for my today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching my video. And if you did, then yes, don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Till then, take care, bye, have a great weekend.